The Constitution of India, Article number 148, provides for independent office of the Controller and Auditor General of India, CAG. He is the head of the Indian Audit and Accounts Department. He is the guardian of the public purse and control the entire financial system of the country at the both levels, the center and the state. His duty is uphold the Constitution of India and the laws of Parliament in the field of financial administration. This is the reason why Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said that the CAG shall be the most important officer under the Constitution of India. He is one of the bulwarks of the democratic system of government in India, the other being the Supreme Court, the Election Commission and the Union Public Service Commission. Appointment and terms of CAG. The CAG is appointed by the President of India by a warrant under his hand and seal. The CAG before taking over his office makes the subscribes before the President an oath and affirmation. First, to bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India, to uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Third, to delay or faithfully and to the rest best of his ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of his office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and to uphold the Constitution and the laws. He hold office for a period of 6 years or up to the age of 65 years, which is earlier. He can resign any time from his office by addressing an resignation letter to the President. He can also be removed by the President or on the same ground and in the same manner as a judge of the Supreme Court. In other words, he can be removed by the President on the basis of the resolution passed through that affects by both the House of the Parliament with special majority, either on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Articles of Controller and Auditor General of India. Article number 148, Controller and Auditor General of India. Article 149, Duties and Power of the CAG. Article 150, Forms of Accounts of the Union and of the States. Article 151, Audit Reports.